Hey everybody, this is Larry. This is day uh day 20th of the Leetcode Day Challenge. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me on Discord. Let me know what you think about today's problem. Yeah. So hope you enjoyed the intro. I am still in Georgia. I'm right now I'm in an area called Kaspeki. It's basically a mountain area with a lot of hiking and stuff. So that's what you're seeing now. Or you just saw. Definitely check out the Instagram if that's you know just in general. But yeah, you may. I'm in a mountain hotel. It's kind of it's actually very nice. The internet is actually relatively fast, but but the lighting is kind of awkward. So hopefully you don't miss my face too much. If you do, follow the Instagram. Anyway, okay. So let's look at today's problem. 399 evaluate division. Okay, so you're given an array of variable pairs equation and an array of real numbers values, where equation I is equal to a sub I, b sub I, and y sub I is equal to a da 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 da. Okay, each a or b sub I is a string that represents a single variable. You are given some queries where query sub j, c sub d is, and you must find. Okay. Okay, so there's no division by zero. There's no contradiction by. Okay. So this is kind of what do we call it? This is just going to be shortest path, right? I mean, or it doesn't even have to be shortest path, but just like in a way connected. What was you say? Connectivity, because as long as you're able to go from two variables, then you're able to get to it. That's one way to do it as well. But let me see. I think the other way of doing it is just putting everything in with respect to one number or something, or one variable, and then just represent everything with respect to that, and then that should allow you to do it. Yeah, I think either one is fine. So I think I'm gonna do the breadth-first search way, because I don't know. I actually don't remember how I did it last time, but I feel like this time, I'm feeling it. Yeah. It's okay. Let me think about how I want to do this first. So, I mean, it doesn't really matter what basis we use. Meaning we just have to pick a variable and then kind of keep to it. So yeah. So basically, yeah. I mean, we'll just take like equations of 0, 0, and we'll call it the basis, right? And then basically now we try to figure out. Yeah, and then now let's just create the edge list, right? Also, this hotel, even though it's very nice and very cozy, maybe I gotta do it earlier, because I think there is a table like outside, but it's raining, so it's not very helpful. But yeah, that's why I'm doing it on bed, and also in a weird setup. But yeah. So what we go sit. Okay, so in this case, we just put an adjacency list. You append C, we see, and the other way around as well. Maybe I mixed this up, but it's fine, right? Okay. Sorry, I'm adjusting my setup a little bit, because it's actually not gonna lie, very uncomfortable, because I'm just like doing it in a very awkward place. But yeah. Okay. Okay. Yeah. And then now just set up the queue. We append the basis. We wanted to say was it translation maybe, or something like this. Let's just say let's just go with ratio. I don't know. is you go to a lookup table thing, right? And then of course ratio of bases is equal to 1, and then while length of q is greater than 0, current is equal to q dot pop left. And then for VC in recency list of current, then what do we want to do? We want to say so if we not in ratio, that means we haven't done it yet, then we have to append we, but we could also set the ratio now, which is equal to ratio of current either times C or divided by C. It should be one or the other. Yeah, but that's easier to fix. I think this is one of those things where if you think through clearly and define your things clearly, you could get it quickly. But I didn't really define it, and honestly, very tired today. Ooh, whoops! I hiked like 10 miles in the mountains in snow, slush, and everything, and it was a mess. And I carried all my camera equipment, so it was very expensive, very tiring, very exhausting is what I meant to say. But yeah, for UE inquiries, then now we translate something like ratio of U. I don't know, it's something like this or some variation of this, right? Oh yeah, I have to check because for some reason, if U not in ratio or we ratio, I forgot about that case. I think what I want to do is actually not this because it's very easy to whatever. What you need to do is at least print out, modify each step of the way, right? Almost like almost like testing a component so that we can see. Because then now you can, for example, A is 1, B is 2, C is 6. That means it's A over C. Okay, so that means that, okay, that's actually right. What is this? B over A. So B over A. Something like this then. This is the most awkward way to write it, I think. Oh. Did I messed up? Why is the... What's BC? Oh, BC is given. Oh, I messed up. It's a connected components thing. I didn't realize that. I thought for some reason... Okay. I actually misread this a little bit. Or at least in the sense that... I don't know if I misread it. I mean, I did misunderstood it. I don't know if I misread it. In the sense that I thought when it said that all queries will be evaluated, I just thought that they're all connected, but they're actually not. So that's fine. I mean, it basically now you have to do a connected components thing and then kind of do it that way. Let me try to think if there's a clean way to doing it. Yeah, I mean, I think we can just. It's not that big of an issue. So, yeah, I mean, I think this is fine. It's just. Yeah, it's because everything is self-contained, so this is actually not related to it. So we can do something like, okay, we just redo this, right? So then now, let's say we have this, right? So now we have for u v in, what's it, equations, right? We can do something like this. if ratio of basis, if basis not in ratio, then we do this. I think that should be good, even though it's very confusing maybe. Let me see if it works first. Okay, so now it works. Okay, let's give it a submit. Oh no, I misunderstood it. Oh, I see. Because then now I'm doing two things that are not connected. Yeah, I see. I think I misunderstood it again about the input being always routed, or again I just misread it. In that the single enter cannot be determined part. Because then now they're in two different components, so you can't do it this way. Now I wish I did it with connected components again, with connectivity. But actually, I mean, we're gonna add the same idea for union find, except for yeah, we could definitely do the same idea as union find, of just declaring your parents, and in this case your root. So then now or root of u is not equal to root of v. I really should have saved that case. But yeah, I think it's just me trying to be lazy, to be honest. I think the right way would have to do it, to be honest. Or not the right way to do it, but what did I do? How do I put in source? Because the right way to have done it is just to rewrite it, but I think I was trying to do a classic situation of, like I did 90% of the code. I just have to make changes so that it works, and it's true. But then we just end up forgetting some cases and stuff like that as a result, which happened here. So yeah, this is gonna be linear time, linear space. V plus E is the linear part of it. Because basically we look at each edge once, and we look at each node once, and the nodes come from the edges, right? So so yeah, so this is linear in the size of the input. Yeah, that's what I have for this one. Let me know what you think. I'm curious what I did last time. I did Fort Warsaw, that's right. I was thinking about doing Fort Warsaw and I forgot, because I was thinking about connectivity. I remember vaguely seeing that n is equal to 20, so there's only at least at most 40 things, and even then, it wouldn't be, because then, it wouldn't take that long. But yeah, to be honest, I just forgot. I mean, it's probably best, or it's fun to try other things, so it's fine too. So yeah, cool. That's all I have for this one. Let me know what you think. Stay good, stay healthy to good mental health. I'll see y'all later and take care. Bye bye.